Hi, my name is Trent from Wisconsin. I'm an Explore student currently with Unbound. I would describe Unbound as an organization that provides education for teens and young adults through live events, online coaching, and project-based education. So why did I choose Explore? So my parents and I were busy looking for a program that would help me finish off my years with high school. I was also looking for a possible career to follow after high school. Explore is a program that provides great flexibility and also great training, so it seemed like a great option. So Apex was an event unlike any I've ever been to. Not everything went as planned, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. There are plenty of great speakers, amazing events that helped me grow closer with my Explore team and with the rest of the Unbound community. So my biggest challenge so far was probably the life plan project. The students are given the task of developing their core values and a lot of their plans for the future and putting them together into a document that they can use to reference later on to help them keep a straight course through life. So personally, I found it a little bit challenging to take what I found, what I was planning to do for the future, my values, and try to put them together into a cohesive document. However, I think it was a very rewarding project that'll help me give great guidance for my future. So what's been the main benefit for Explore? So I'd say it's been a lot of the guidance that I've received through coaching, as well as the interaction that I've received with the Unbound community and with the rest of my Explore class. Yeah, so currently I'm looking at videography as a possible career. I chose to do a filming project. It'll be a promo that I'll be shooting, writing, and editing for a local food pantry. So I would say to someone who's considering Explore, that Explore is a great program that gives great guidance, also a lot of hands-on project-based education, and access to one of the greatest communities that you can find.